Third party application, nothing but Facebook kind of thing. Come on. Okay, it is providing security to what? Spotify using what? Facebook kind of third party applications are not there, guys. That's a good thing. Our projects are web applications behave like what? Client application trying to use services of what? Third party applications for security. Our projects are web application. What we are developing, Spotify, okay, Mintra, all these applications acts as what? Client application trying to access service of third party application for security. Here third party means what? Gmail, Facebook, all these are called third party applications, right? Examples for client applications are Swiggy, Zomato, Redbus, Habibus, MakeMyTrip. They are not serious application, guys. So we can have Facebook identity as our identity in those applications are not there. Shadi.com, Book My Show, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Jepto kind of thing. Third party applications are technically called as what? Authorization and resource server. Examples for authorization and resource servers are like what? Facebook, Gmail, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, GitHub, and etc. LinkedIn, GitHub, and what? Etc. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Different client application that are listed above tries to use third party application that are listed above for simplifying login and authentication activities. Different client application these are. We'll try to use what? Different third party applications here for simplifying logging and authentication activities are not there, guys. So let us understand the problem. Redbus separate username password, Book My Show separate username password, Hotstar separate username password, right? So it's a traditional approach of applying on security are not there, guys. Okay, for every application, separate username means there is a possibility of forgetting credentials or not. Credentials are nothing but username password, guys. Traditional approach of applying security. Traditional approach of applying security. That's good, guys. Okay. Yeah. Tell me here, where is this? Redbus, Book My Show, Hotstar. Redbus, Book My Show, Hotstar. These are called client applications or not, my dear? These are called client applications or not, my dear? Come on. Okay. All these are using Facebook or Gmail login, my dear. Okay. That means what? If you know how to log into Facebook or Gmail, using that identity, we can operate all the services of what? Redbus, Book My Show, Hotstar are not there, guys. So this is indirectly nothing but SSO feature, single sign-on feature. How many times you are logging to Facebook? One time. That identity you are using in how many times? Multiple times. That means single sign-on are not there. Knowingly, unknowingly, already SSY is implemented in what? Google applications, right? Okay. Suppose you logged into Gmail. Using that identity, you can operate Gmail. You can operate Google Drive, Google Classroom, Google Translator, like this 30 plus Google products you can operate are not there. Even YouTube also Gmail identity only, na boss. That means knowingly, unknowingly in your system, whenever you are using what? YouTube and all this stuff, you are just logging to Gmail, boss. That identity you are using to get into what? All Google product. Single sign-on feature is already implemented with respect to Google products are not there. Same effect, similar effect. I would like to get my what on my user defined applications also. Any website when I'm developing, I want to provide option. You create username password through sign up, which is specific to this website, or you can log into what this application. You can you can use Facebook identity as what this application identity. Our LinkedIn identity as what? This application identity. Gmail identity as what? This application identity. So indirectly we are going for single sign-on feature only, na? Suppose Spotify is there, Mintra is there, this one is there. Everywhere I'm using continue as Facebook user. So if Facebook identity is my identity in all these applications are not there. Just now I have shown in Spotify application, Facebook profile picture has come. That means what? Facebook identity is used as what? Spotify account identity or not, my dear? While working with SSO, we are not giving third party application Gmail credentials to what? Client application. Lots of people thinks wrongly. Or in Spotify, if you give Facebook username password, how sir? We are not doing that mistake. We are not doing, my dear. What we are doing, continue the Facebook means or join as Facebook means it will connect you to Facebook only, there only. For Facebook only we submit username password, right? With the permission of Facebook, okay, we get that identity and we also use in Spotify. But username password verification is not happening with Spotify, is happening with what? Facebook. But by taking permission from Facebook, Spotify using Facebook identity as what? This identity. Fastbic is using Facebook identity as what? This identity. Convinced, boss? Come on, everyone. Okay. Yeah. Okay. To get give clarity on it, boss. To give clarity on it. Okay. Let's do one thing. To give clarity on it, let's do one thing, guys. Where is this? Facebook only, na? Okay. I'm trying my luck. If password I forgot, I don't have this one also with me. Fine, no problem. Let's take a risk. Log out. I logged out, guys. Okay, fine. That's good. We'll join. Not now. Okay, now go to Spotify. Now go to Spotify, guys. Here, see, there logged out. Here also logged out automatically. Come on. Here, login option is there. Continue the Facebook is there. Yeah. Continue the Facebook is there, right? Continue the Facebook is there, right, guys? Enter 6 digit code, send it to this. Enter 6 digit code, send it to this. Actually, it should ask me that. Actually, it should ask me that. Yeah, Gmail, guys. Wait a minute. This is Spotify, guys. Come on. This is what? Spotify. Here, username, passwords are taken or not there, guys? Taken. Say, paste. Okay. Login. Login. No, actually, it should ask me username, password there. What's happening? Why it is going by identity of that? Log out. You should take me to Facebook identity. You should take me to what? Facebook page. There it should ask me user. Ask to end. It should ask me. Continue the Facebook. To continue, enter your email address to receive digit code. Okay. Hmm. No, again, same procedure. They changed system little bit, it seems. But whatever it is, we are not giving password, username passwords to whom, guys? Spotify. We are giving username passwords to whom, guys? Facebook only. That is what I want to tell, guys. Nothing great. 1 minute before they expired, let me log into Facebook. Login. I hope. Yeah, it came. 1 minute. Otherwise, we'll try in another angle also. Actually, it's behaving differently. Spotify. Spotify. It's not doing as expected. Login. That's good. Continue with Facebook, guys. Continue. I think Facebook username is enter email or username. I think username is what? Natraz. Natraz World. Natraz. What's that? What's the first one, guys? What's my this one? Click on this. What's the username password? Username password is, yeah, I think Natraz World it seems. Username password is Natraz World. No, it's not expect doing. Generally, we after configuration, we forget username password. That's a headache. Continue the Facebook. Done, guys. Natraz World. Click on this. Email or username does not exist. natrazworld@gmail.com. Okay, natrazworld@gmail.com. Only Natraz is there. Huh? Okay, I think same old system, guys. Okay, that's not a big issue now. Oh, fine, no problem. So we got the basic idea, guys. Already we are enjoying that. auth 2.x support SSO, single sign-on feature. That means log into one third-party application like FB, Google, and we can log into multiple other applications like what? Redbus, Book My Show, and etc. By logging to Gmail account, we can start accessing what? YouTube, Google Drive, Google Plus, and other Google services. Simply and what? Other Google services. Okay, this is called Google SSO feature or not there. This is called Google SSO. SSO means what, guys? Single sign-on feature. Are you understanding my statement, guys? This is called single sign-on feature, right? This is technically called as what? Single sign-on feature. Basic architecture diagram of what? auth 2.x. Basic architecture diagram of what? Yeah. Browser. Browser gives browser contacts. Client application, nothing but Redbus. Here, client is nothing but Redbus. Redbus will get option of continuous Facebook. So you will get Facebook login option. Their connectivity happens with the Facebook. Come on. And those identity details will come to Redbus. Come on, guys. Yeah, check it out. A, B, onto the browser. Facebook login details will happening, guys. Okay. Those login details are passed to whom? Redbus. Those login details are passed to what? Redbus. So now onwards, Red, this end user is identified with Redbus with the Facebook user identity or not there? With the Facebook user identity or not there, guys? Finally, tell me, guys. Finally, all operations on FB user will be sent back to browser or not there? All operations on FB user will be sent back to browser are not there, guys. Come on. Okay, end user operates the browser. Okay, contacts the red bus. Okay, there he has chosen what option? Continue as Facebook user. Facebook username password is asked to be entered, right? Okay, then Facebook identity details I have given to what? Redbus, and Redbus can access some information about a Facebook identity user, like his email ID, his friends information, some basic information it can gather or not, whatever it allows, right? Okay, using that information, the communication will happen with end user or not there, guys. Okay, the communication takes place with what? End user. OAuth 2.x features. It's very popular open standard for securing application, guys. It's a very open standard for security. It can be used and implemented in any technical domain like what? Java, .NET, and etc. It is not specific to Java, guys. It's common for everyone, right? Spring Boot gives a lot of abstraction towards what? Towards using and implementing what? OAuth 2.x service. Very much implemented in day-to-day activity applications like what? Ticket booking application, e-commerce applications, and etc. Because there's money sensitivity not there, security is not required. In those entertainment applications, we can use what? Social media identity, social network identity as what? That application identity or not, my dear. Integration of client application with what to text is easy towards what? Connecting and using third party service. By integrating what 2.x client applications like what Redbus, Mintra kind of thing can be made connecting to third party application like FB, Gmail to complete this activity are not there. Total activity are not there. This is not much recommended to This is not recommended. This is not recommended to financial service applications like what? Bank account creation, credit card issuing, etc. If people started giving credit card and bank account based on what? Facebook identity, there will be a lot of fake accounts are not there. Only for entertainment applications, fine. Okay, but that's not suitable in real serious financial transaction applications, guys. So in bank application, are they giving uh, identity with the Facebook user, guys? No. Are they allowing to open the account with Facebook user, guys? No, they are asking Aadhaar card, PAN card, which are very much standard applications, guys. Come on, which are very much standard document. They are using those documents for this kind of activities or not, my dear? Okay. Allows to implement SSO application as discussed above. By signing to one Facebook application, we can use that identity to sign into multiple other applications or not there. If we enable OAuth 2.x based login activity in our client application, then there is no need of implementing what? Then there is no need of implementing what? Direct login separately in the client application development. If you see, Gmail login is YouTube login. YouTube is giving any separate login, guys. Gmail login is Google Drive login. Google Drive is giving any separate login, guys. Gmail login is what? Google Classroom login. Do you think Gmail is giving? Google Classroom is giving separate login activity, boss? No. It's not giving separate logging mechanism. Did you notice that? Okay. If OAuth 2.x used in fully in our client application development, then there is no need of implementing what? Spring Security Form, Spring Security LDAP, Spring Security with the JWT separately. That much popular is there. Okay, na? That much popularity is there, guys. All third-party applications or services like FB, Gmail provides two ways of interaction. Direct interaction for end user, guys. I can use Facebook in two angles. Number one, as a direct end user. I log into Facebook, I post, I reply, I comment. As an end user, we are using that one or not there, guys? To use the services of third party application directly as what? End user. Example is what? We using FB directly. We using FB directly. Okay. Next, interaction as a developer. I'm developing Redbus, but Redbus don't want to have separate username password login. It want to use a Facebook identity as its identity. So that time we go for what? Interaction as a developer option or not, my dear? Interaction as developer option is there or not there? To make other applications like Redbus using third party application services. Auth 2.x is required or not, guys? For that one, we don't use just Facebook. We try to use what? Developers.facebook.com. What is there? Developers.facebook.com option we try to use. That's good now, guys. Yes, boss. OAuth 2.x implementation, guys. Number one, register and provide user details with authorization and resource server like Facebook, Gmail. You have to register our application or not there. For example, I want to see Spotify using Facebook login. First of all, I should register Spotify application in Facebook or not there? As what? From developer perspective, not as end user perspective. There is a URL called developers.facebook.com. What is that? Developers.facebook.com. By using that URL, come on, by using that URL, definitely you have to log in it or not, guys. Definitely you have to log in it or not there, guys. Come on, I want reply from you people, guys. Okay. Lakshmi madam, are you there in the batch? Old student Lakshmi madam, senior student Lakshmi madam. I invited you to share your experience journey. Today my phone is not working. So you have to check whether you are there in the. No, no, I invited you. It's broken. Nothing happened, boss. Okay. So what's the first one work or as a developer? Okay, first one, register and provide user details with authentication and authorization server, guys. Okay. First one is what? Regular having one user in what? Having user in Facebook is the first one, not as a developer application registration, guys. Okay, as you should have an account in Facebook, you should have an account in Gmail. That's good. Second one, register client application with authentication and resource server. Third party application or servers to get the client ID and secret ID. Okay, first one, you should have account in Gmail and Facebook. Okay, second one is what? You have to register your Myntra application, Spotify application with the Facebook. Otherwise, whenever I try to log into Myntra, when I use the option use Facebook, you continue as Facebook. Okay, you should go to Facebook, ask username, password, and once that is done, that username, password should be passed to whom? That user identity details and other information should be passed to Myntra or Redbus or not there. So first of all, this Myntra.com or Redbus.com should be registered with Facebook or not there. Must and should be registered with Facebook or not there, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah. This is client application like Redbus, guys. Is registering with Facebook as a developer, right? Okay. Once your registration is successful, as a username password, you will get client ID and secret ID. You will get what messages, guys? Client ID and what? Secret ID. You will get what kind of messages, my dear? Client ID and secret ID. Are you getting my point, my dear? You are getting client ID and what? Secret ID. Register as application using APIs. Authorization and resource server like Facebook. Client ID is like username. Secret ID is like what? Password. Client ID is like username. Secret ID is like what? Password. Convinced with me, my dear? Come on. Okay. Validate end user and client application in authorization and resource server. In what, guys? Authorization and what? Resource server. Okay. Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, etc. having two main parts. Authorization server contain authentication logic. Resource server gives access to various details about what? Authenticated user. Array, resource server will contain friends information about logged in user, post information about login user, personal information about logged in user that will be maintained by resource server. That will be maintained by what, guys? Resource server. Are you getting my point, my dear? That will be simply literally maintained by whom, guys? Resource server. Convinced with me, guys? Come on, everyone. FB, Gmail, LinkedIn, etc. maintains what? Two parts. Authorization server contains authentication logic. Resource server gives access to various details of authentication user, getting FB user details and kind of thing. Yeah, check it out here. What's happening? You just take Spotify example only. Okay, browser end user. Okay, browser using continue as Facebook. That is gives me FB login now, boss. FB login is happening or not there, guys? Okay. Once the FB login is happen, okay, FB login is happen. Request for grant, request for grant, right? Request for what grant? Listen, we got login, right? Continue Facebook. It will go to Facebook page. Then you will type username password. Successful. Then as a user you have one option. Okay, continue as a word user. Continue as Natras. Continue as XYZ. Some option will come or not, guys. Continue as Natras. Continue as what? Some XYZ option. That is nothing but what granting the user. Okay, not Spotify. Let me show another website. Nowadays Spotify changed their model of what? This one, guys. Model of this. Okay. Let me try what Mintra.com. Mintra.com. Oh, use Mintra. I want to check Mintra. Yeah, this is what Mintra. Profile. Login or sign up. Login or sign up. Is there any option of? Or they are giving only mobile number? They are not giving option like this. Where we can see, guys, continue as Facebook. Which application? Instagram is there. Continue as Facebook. No, I don't think. Is there a? Okay, Instagram. Install login, guys. Yeah, login with Facebook is there. Yeah, see this one. Already login. This application is already connected. Browser is already connected to Facebook user server, boss. Okay, that's continuous as user is coming or not there. Suppose, suppose I go to this place. Okay, for suppose I sign out from I sign out from Facebook. I sign out from Facebook. Here is one option, guys. Log out. Yeah. Here I said log out. Okay, that's good. And then tell me in Instagram. What is there in Instagram login? In Instagram login. Login with what? Facebook. Continue as what? This is. Okay, asking to enter password are not there, which I forgot. But at least it is asking to enter password are not there, guys. I hope. Yeah. Now it's giving continue as an address. Yes. So now in the account has come over there are not there, guys. To create an account with Facebook, allow the following things, something. So terms and conditions, allow and continue. What is there? Allow and what and continue. So it is asking password kind of thing and other thing. Oh, okay. Use on and other thing. Whatever it is. So it is allowing you to use that identity box. It is also allowing you to use that identity are not there. Same thing. So that's nothing but granting permission, guys. I did Facebook login by getting Facebook username and password, and it's showing continuous as an address. I granted permission. Come on. Oh, okay. And then permission got to online application. Okay. That already this client application is registered with what Facebook. That having secret ID and what? Secret ID and what? Client user ID and secret ID, whatever it is. Okay, by submitting them, it will connect to Facebook. Come on. By submitting what? Okay. See, based on the user and password is submitted, it will provide one access to okay. Oh, with this credential, only this data you can access, right? That is the access token, guys. Come on. Number 6. Passes that access token to the source server. Okay, the source server, according to the access token that has come, according to what? Access token that has come. Okay, you can access only what? Personal information. You can access only friends information. You can access what? Comments. You can access bits information. Come on. So whatever it is, that information is gathered and given to client application buzzers are not there. And given to client application buzzers are not there, guys. Say something, my dear, I want like guys. Once again, check it out. I logged into Spotify. Spotify continuous Facebook user. Submitted username and password. Correct. It is asking continuous as an address. Yes. Okay. By saying yes, I have granted permission. Okay. That granted permission plus. Okay. Register Spotify with Facebook only developers. Username passwords are coming. Those username password and access token. All these things are given to Facebook are not there, guys. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible, guys? Am I audible, guys? Yeah. Like madam there in the batch. Are you there in the meeting? If they're there, please be. Yeah, that's good. Problem is only your side, guys. All are not audible. All people are saying audible. So the problem is only your side. Check your side. Yeah. Now listen. You are user grant. Okay, that will go to authentication server, right? Uh-huh. Client ID and secret ID. User name password of connectivity check. Connectivity is perfect, right? Okay. After that, it will be one access token. For this grant, for this request, I can give you only this permission. That will go back to the bus as a access token or not there. And Red Bus will submit access token to our server where Facebook user information is there. Come on. Where Facebook user information is there or not there, guys. Oh, okay. Yeah. The Facebook user information is gathered. That user information like friends information, post information, or personal information is gathered. That is passed to who, guys? Red Bus. And Red Bus can use that information to suggest more songs to friends or send more information to friends who knows because of mail like Spotify. They may also join in Spotify or not there. Friends also may like Spotify. They may also join in Spotify or not there, guys. Okay, this is the whole mechanism are not there, guys. Okay. One last step is the push data process. We log into Spotify. There will be login option. There will be continue with Facebook. Okay. What Facebook username permission screen submitted. We got Facebook username password submission screen. We really what submitted. Then it is asking you want to continue this user. Yes, I want to continue that user. That is like what user request for grant, guys. So we grant some permission, right? That grant when we register Spotify with the Facebook as a developer. Okay, Facebook have given some username, password, client ID and secret ID. Those client ID and secret ID and grant. All these are submitted to Facebook authentication server are not there. Facebook authentication server are not there. Come on. Oh, okay. Followed by that. Come on. Are you doing, guys? That authentication server gives access token back to what buses are not there. Access token back to what this one. By submitting those details, we will give access token back to what red bus. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, that's great. Access token back to what red bus. And red bus will submit that information to the server where Facebook users related information is there. From there, what permission you allowed according to those permission. Okay, those details will go to red bus. And red bus may use the user friends information, other information to pass more details to pass more details are not there. Come on. Yes. It is the responsibility of developer to register the client application like Red Bus, Spotify with third-party application like what? Facebook, Gmail, you get the client ID and what secret ID. Client ID and what secret ID. With respect to diagram. In browser that is pointing to client application in Red Bus screen. End user clicks on FB login. This one FB login. The client application Red Bus makes it to login. Provide login to provide permission to use what? FB user details. FB user and password. Once we complete every user, you get what? Continuous end user, we can say access grant, right? Client application, right? Most authentication server we have client application. User takes validation by carrying client ID and secret ID, right, boss? If server validated client application user and provides access token, which is valid for current user and current client application to perform some operations on the server. Okay, if user try to change, then it cannot value whatever permission you only own those permissions. Client application makes request to the server FB having that access token. That's good. Resource server FB validates the token and provides permitted user data to client application. FB user information to who guys is. Okay. Finally, client application number one address application gets user data and uses that data to provide what? Uses that data to provide what? Various services to end user. Various services to what guys? End user. Consider with me, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay. So now first of all, our work is what? Before I want to use some Facebook user identity or Gmail user identity for login activity, I should make my website, I should make my application registered Facebook or not there, guys. Registered Gmail or not there, guys. Today our focus is on that, guys. How to make our website registered with what? Facebook, and how to get secret ID and what client ID. So for that one, we have to use what guys? Developers.facebook.com guys. Developers.facebook.com. Here is my developers dot. This slide cannot be spell mistake, it seems. Developers.facebook.com. Developers.facebook.com. That's good. There is a one option, my apps. Click on my apps. Already so many apps I created for so many applications, right? You have to create a new application, guys. Let me create a new application. Okay. This is I'm using Facebook as a developer perspective, right? Okay. Tell me. OAuth application one. Some name, guys. OAuth application name. Okay. Contact email. Okay, that's good. Next. What is guys? Next, guys. Yeah. Next. Okay. Add use cases for what purpose? Authenticate request data user with Facebook login. I want to use it for this reason now, boss. Okay. Say next. Okay. Which business portfolio do you want to connect for this application? I don't want to connect a business portfolio yet. Okay. Say next. Say next. All these are steps that you need to complete to get maintenance access to this. Okay. Business verification, app review. Okay, that's fine. Whatever it is. App name what one? Email is this. Use case is what? Facebook login I am going to use. Facebook login I am going to use. Okay, business verification. Summary is giving, boss. It's giving what? Summary. Unable to create application. Developers are allowed to create only 15 apps, guys. I already have more than 15, it seems. I'm already having what? More than 15, it seems. Okay, I'll try to create few of them. I'll try to create one of them. Okay, 516 app is there. I'm removing it, guys. Yeah, created guys. Create app. So start the process again. Start the process again. Tell me. OAuth app1. What is there? OAuth app1. Say next. I want to use it for what? Facebook login activity. Say next. Profile is not yet decided. Say next. Say next. Yeah. So we got dashboard of application creation, guys. Provide the following details, email ID and other things. Submit the password. Gather client application secret ID. Dashboard settings basics. Dashboard settings. Where is the settings concept, guys? Yeah. Your app settings is there now, boss. What is there? Basic. Yeah. Tell me, guys. We got app ID and secret ID over here now, my dear. Check it out, guys. We got app ID and secret ID. Secret ID is a lengthy one. Come on. Okay. Now onwards. Okay. Whatever application you want to use, you want to see using Facebook login. Whatever application you want to see using what? Facebook login, guys. Okay. You want to see using what? Facebook login. Are you understanding my statement, guys? You want to see using what? Facebook login. You want to see using what? Facebook login. So ultimately what it will do, guys? Ultimately it will try to perform what, my dear? Ultimately it will try to. We have to submit this username password or not there. For example, in application.property file of what is that? Spotify application. I have to write this user ID and secret ID as username password. So that what happened? Whenever that application connects to Facebook, Facebook recognize, oh, this fellow already registered, let's allow him. This fellow already registered, let's allow him. Okay, but with URL, with what URL is going to come? With what URL is going to come? That is what we have to worry about. Okay, super. Tell me, guys, here what is there? App domains. Okay, here. If I am developing Facebook kind of application, localhost 4041. What is there, guys? Localhost 40. Or if it is a real website, www.spotify.com. But right now that the domain registration is not done. It is just going to be base URL are not there, guys. Save the changes. Save the changes. Tell me. Currently negligible for submission. Your submission is missing the following fields: policy URL, user data deletion. Same thing I am passing. Policy URL also same thing I am passing. Yeah, that's good. Click on save changes. You're asking for icon kind of thing, guys. It is asking me to enter icon kind of thing or not there. Like this, we have to take multiple options to fill up or not there, guys. Dashboard setting basics. You have to gather this one, guys. So like you have to register which application. When that application is registered, it will generate what? User ID and secret ID. That application you have to those details you have to pass in what? Mintra kind of thing, Spotify kind of application. So whenever they try to connect to a Facebook login, by recognizing this application based on the URL, it will allow Facebook login to happen. Though end user is not directly approaching Facebook, it can be done or not there, guys. So far, you have used Facebook only as what? Developer perspective. This is sorry, only as end user perspective. This is a developer perspective of Facebook or not there, guys. Interesting or not, guys? Yeah, check it out. We got app ID and secret ID, guys. Make sure that log into Facebook account. This one. This one. App ID, secret ID. Okay, what is the one? Local host. App domains, local host, this one. Email ID, this one. Okay. Remaining all are optional, guys. Only this one. App domains you have to type. App domains you have to type. For connectivity purpose, other things we have to do, that's a different story. Okay, here what is this? Okay, 40401. Policy URL not required. Callback URL. I'm deleting this, guys. Okay, click on save changes. Currently ineligible for submission. Submission is missing data in the following fields. Policy URL it is expecting. Policy URL. Data deletion callback URL. Done. Okay. natrasworldgmail.com. That's good. HTTPS. What is there? Localhost 4041. Here also I will use HTTPS. Changing application will require a review. Changing application name will require a review. Current icon, upload icon. We have to choose one or other image, guys, nothing else. Okay. You have to choose one or other what? Image. Okay. Choose file. E drive, class content, images. What app1? Save changes. What changes, guys? Save changes. Why it is not taking, guys? Fallback URL, why it is not taking? Hmm. Education, all this stuff, email ID. It's supposed to take the thing. You are select a game launching activity in use case. I selected wrong one, huh? Acha, that's good. I selected wrong one, guys. Now you are telling, boss. After entire Ramayana, you are telling, what is our application? auth login application one. Remove application. Remove, guys. Submit. Enter password. Submit. It is deleted, guys. Create app. Okay. O login one. O login one. That's good. Say next. What is the one? This one only, na? Launch game on Facebook. No. Authenticate. What is there? Authenticate. Yeah, authenticate using Facebook. Click on next. I don't want to connect to business profile yet. Okay. Next. Say next. IT. App review. This one. This one. No business. Go to dashboard. Yeah, it is what? App settings, right? Basic. Client ID, secret ID, anyhow coming, right? Client ID and secret ID is anyhow coming. Tell me. HTTP localhost 4041. HTTP localhost 4041. User data deletion URL. That's good. Save changes. Privacy URL. Terms and condition of URL. HTTP colon. What is there? Localhost 4041. Again, HTTP. Some policies, guys. Click on save. Click on save. Yeah, category. Where is the category option, guys? Category. It is for what category? Education. Click on save changes. Okay. User deletion URL. Privacy URL is wrong. Privacy URL is wrong. Let me take HTTPS. Where is app icon, guys? Where is app icon? Here is the app icon. Choose file. Some picture. Okay. The app icon is taken, guys. Tell me here. Okay. HTTP localhost data something. It must be valid URL in order to become compliant Facebook platform. That's good. Click on save changes, guys. Oh, image should have a proper size also, boss. You cannot take any image of your choice. 1024 by 1024. That proper size image is required or not required? Yeah. 1024 by 1024. Proper size image is required. Okay. Basic, guys. Client ID, this one. Yeah. One by one, let me categorize. Policy URL. Okay, that is okay. Now policy URL is not required. Save changes. Save changes. Policy URL is wrong, guys. User data deletion URL. Policy URL is not there. Okay, what is there? Delete. Your category. What is there? Education. What's happening, guys? Why these three things only giving problem? Category education is given, yes, given. Then why it is not recognizing when I give also? Yeah, here is policy URL, guys. Terms and condition URL, guys. Terms and condition URL. Click on save changes. Click on save changes. Okay. Yeah, we'll try to use these three things, guys. Actually, they should take our application information only, boss. ChatGPT. Say paste. Okay. And in this process, we forgot our one. Where is this? Developer.facebook.com. Developer.facebook.com. My apps. What, guys? My apps. I think O login one is my application name, guys. Y login one. The details should be saved. Our work is done. App settings, guys. Basic, my dear. What's there? Basic one. O login one. App domains. Local host 4041. That is done. Top level domains are not allowed. Oh, it is not. Nowadays, this is not allowing local host word, guys. You have to take some other alternate, right? Nowadays, they are not allowing local host word, it seems. Because everyone misusing it seems they are not allowing regular local host. What is there? 4041. Okay. Yeah, now local host word has come here. Policy URL. What there? Policy URL. Let it be. Okay. Terms and condition URL slash terms. That's good. Category. Okay. Business or education. Yeah. Say save changes. Yeah. Only see now only all are taken. Only what is missing? User data deletion URL, right? User data deletion URL. Delete user data deletion URL. Yeah. Apps access user data must provide A of user request deleted. Your app can consist a requirement providing this URL instruction. Learn more. What is there? Learn more. This generate post assign this one secret ID and other thing. Apps must provide this URL. Implementing the callback. Implementing the callback. Earlier it used not to ask, guys. I think recent days they are asking this. Okay, we'll go to this. Yeah, in OAuth 2.x, what is there? User delete URL. User delete URL. Sample user delete URL. In OAuth itself, important notes has no such user delete URL. The exact URL pattern depends upon your identity. Deleting user in administrative operation, not an what? OAuth protocol. But why it is asking Ra, then it should not ask na when it is having that much clarity. Policy. So our type like this. I mean FB developer basic section. Yeah, I'm so our type like this. I mean FB developer basic section. Array. No yaar. Yeah, we'll see what is that exactly. Okay, if a new one is giving problem, we'll try to use old application that is already created and we'll continue with that. Okay, na? We'll continue with that. 1 minute here. I will try to write 1 minute. I will try to write user deletion URL. 1 minute. Okay, ESPN. What is there? What is the application I'm assuming? Spotify.com/u delete. Must be valid URL in order deletion URL in order to complain with Flashbook platform. Save changes. If I don't give, it is not working. 1 minute. Okay. Data deletion callback URL. Okay. Data deletion callback URL. 1 minute. HTTP localhost 4041. Save changes. Okay. HTTPS. Yeah. Save changes. It's now taken na boss. Yeah, wrong section we have selected. Okay, data deletion, data instruction URL, callback URL. You have to select what? Callback URL. Once you select the callback URL, our application is created or not there. Earlier, all these were not mandatory, guys. Okay, now they made these things as what? Mandatory. So now we are ready with application. This application is having secret ID and user ID. These details we submit in our own application. So our own application is indirectly listed with Facebook. So now onwards, I can use Facebook login in our application or not there. So that I am going to take up tomorrow. Coding part we will take up tomorrow, guys. How to do this work we will take up in what? Tomorrow section. I think you got the basic idea what I'm trying to explain. What is that? We have a Facebook account already. Okay, I registered my website which is running on localhost 4041 with Facebook by creating an application. I got username password. Now my website to which I'm going to develop tomorrow at port number 4041. I submit this user ID, secret ID are not there. Due to that, my application will connect to what? Facebook, and I can use continue as Facebook option or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. So tomorrow, once again, we see the flow and we complete the application development. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. At what time? 7 a.m.